Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to get WhatsApp message for updated WordPress post. So here my objective is that whenever a post will be updated in my WordPress account, then I want to get a WhatsApp message for the same. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be WordPress and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to get WhatsApp message for updated WordPress post. So here my objective is that whenever a post will be updated on my WordPress account, then I want to get a WhatsApp message for the same. So I have given author and edit access to some users. So my objective is that whenever a user is going to update a post on my WordPress account, then automatically I should get a WhatsApp message for the same. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this here is the landing page, and in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as get WhatsApp message for updated WordPress post, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as WordPress to WhatsApp automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to get WhatsApp message for updated WordPress post. So to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and firstly over here, I'm going to search for WordPress as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be post updated instant. So this trigger will start working whenever an existing post will be updated. So now moving to my action window, as I want to get a WhatsApp message. So over here, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API as my action application. Here it is. And the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now firstly, I need to establish a connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect so I can get the updated post details over in Pabbly Connect. You can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my WordPress account. So this over here is my WordPress account dashboard. And as per the instructions given over here in Pabbly Connect, I need to go to my left hand side, and now over here I need to go to plugins. So over here in plugins, I'm going to go to add new plugin. So as it is mentioned that we have to search for WP Webhooks plugin in the search bar, and we have to install and activate the plugin. So over here I'm going to search for WP Webhooks. So over here under add plugins, you can see that I've searched for WP Webhooks and I've already installed this plugin. So this plugin has been installed and activated in my account. So that is why I will go to installed plugins. You also have to follow the same process in order to install this plugin. So I will go to the installed plugin option. So over here you can see that I have installed this plugin. So now I will go to settings and I will go to WP Webhooks. So over here in WP Webhooks, I will go to send data because I want to send the updated post data to Pabbly Connect. So over here, I will go to the search triggers option and I will go to post updated. So now over here, I've mentioned it and I'm going to add the webhook URL. So here it says this webhook fires after an existing post is updated. I'm going to add a webhook URL. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy it, and over here, I'm going to paste it. So now I need to give the name as well. So I'm going to give the name as post updated. And now I'm going to add for post update. So over here, you can see that we have successfully added a webhook. So now I will go to these three dots. I will go to settings. And over here in settings, I'm going to select the trigger on selected post types and click on save settings over here. So you can see that the settings has been saved. So here that means you have successfully set up a webhook inside a WordPress account. That means now whenever a new post will be updated in my WordPress account, then automatically I'm going to get the details of the updated post on Pabbly Connect. Going back to Pabbly Connect, so over here you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now I'm going to edit a post. That means now I'm going to update a post on my WordPress account. So over here in this WordPress account, so you can see that this here is the user to whom I've given the access. So now I'm going to update this post. Over here I will go to edit. So now over here in the post content, I'm going to add some more details. So over here I've added this extra paragraph in this post. So now over here I'm going to click on update. And you can see that the post has been updated. So I will show you the post as well, the updated post. So this here is the updated post, and over here you can see that the paragraph which we have added is successfully now mentioned over here in the post content. So that means we have updated the post and the updated post details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. So over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that we have received the response, and this over here is a positive response. So over here you can see the post link. So I'm just going to copy the updated post link and open it in a new tab. So here you can see that this here is the updated post link and this here is the updated WordPress post. So that means we have got the detail of this. Going back to Pabbly Connect. So scrolling down with the other details. So over here you can see the post meta edit last as well. So here you can see the post type, that was post. You can see the title, beautiful mountains. You can see the post status, that was published. And over here you can see the modified date and time as well. And over here this is the post before post content. That means this was the before content of the post and this is the after content of the post, like the paragraph which we have updated. Going back to Pabbly Connect, so here that means over here in Pabbly Connect, we have successfully got the details of the post that has been updated. But over here, if you would have noticed, we have not got details of the user that has updated this post. So to do that, we are just going to click on this add action step. And this time we are going to use WordPress as our action application. Here it is. And the action event will be to search user. Here it is. And now I'm going to click on connect. And over here to add a new connection, you just have to mention your WordPress username or email along with your WordPress password. So for the base URL over here in the URL that is given, this here's your base URL. You just have to copy it and you have to paste it over here in the base URL field. So as I've already built a connection, I will go with the existing one. And over here in the search keyword field, I'm going to map the post meta edit. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from WordPress, so over here I'm going to map the post meta edit last. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So this was a search keyword by using which we have got the details of the user who has updated the post. So over here in the response received, we have got the details of the user who has updated the WordPress post. You can see the username, first name, last name, along with the email address. So here you can see that the role is also of an author and editor. So now as I've got the details of the post that has been updated and who has updated the post, now I would like to get a WhatsApp message so that I can be updated or alerted that yes, a WordPress post has been updated. So now to do that, I need to establish a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So as I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and for these details, I'm going to take you to my Meta for Developers dashboard. Here I will go to WhatsApp and now I will go to API setup. So over here, I'm going to copy the temporary access token. I'm going to paste it. Now for the phone number ID. So this here's the phone number ID. And WhatsApp business account ID. So this here's the WhatsApp business account ID. I'm going to paste it and click on save. So over here you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the template name. So I've already created a template also over here in WhatsApp Manager. I'm going to show you the template as well. So this over here is the template by the name of WordPress updated post. The language is English. This here is the template ID. And over here you can see the content. So it goes as WordPress post update. A post has been updated on WordPress and you can find the details below. So here will be the post title, here will be the post link, post ID and the updated by details. So over here in these fields, I've mentioned some variables. So these variables will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive a new response. So whenever a new post will be updated in my WordPress account, then automatically I'm going to get a WhatsApp message with the updated details every time. So this here is the template that I'm going to use. So over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select my template name. So over here is WordPress updated post. And now over here, you can see that it has selected the language code and the selected template ID. So now moving to the recipient mobile number. So in this field, I'm going to mention my phone number because I want to get the WhatsApp message. So I will fill it in last. So now moving to the post title. So over here from the response received, I'm going to map the post title. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the details from WordPress, so that is why over here in these fields, so I'm going to map the details. So this here is the updated post link. Now moving to the post ID. So again from the response received, I'm going to search for the post ID and this here is the post ID. Now moving to the updated by details. So over here, I'm going to fill in the user details. So as you can see that in these fields, I've mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here, you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So that means a WhatsApp message would have been sent on my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message as well. So this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. It goes as WordPress post update. A post has been updated on WordPress and you can find the details below. The post title is Beautiful Mountains. Here's the post link, post ID, and here is the updated by details. So I'm going to click on this link and this link will take me to the post that has been updated. So here that means I've successfully got a WhatsApp message on a WordPress post update. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a post will be updated on my WordPress account, then automatically I'm going to get a WhatsApp message for the same. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.